as they're evolving and the data it's collecting is being more understood and they're able to analyze it better, you're getting equivalency data of things like 12 lead ECGs, but read maybe by your watch in the future. So in that, you're going to get diagnostic elements about starting to pick up what's happening in the various waves, and do these things correlate with atrial fibrillation or an issue with your heart, or my disease area that I work in, which is a lung disease, but it profoundly affects the heart. These kind of things are coming through. But the starting point, that green shoot, is I'm interested in closing my circle. Maybe you'll be one of the ones that becomes maybe a bit more nerdy like Jay and I and starts to measure a bit more. But also it's okay if you don't, because that data might be in the background and it might start to be integrated into things through various permissions. In the whole world of data privacy, right? What do you grant people access to? It's all starting to feed somewhere in the future, but we're at the tip of the iceberg, right? You talk about the Industrial Revolution was the ability to have capacity to build more and how it grew. If you think of it in the terms of the digital revolution, we are nowhere near done with the digital revolution, because computing capacity is growing exponentially, which means our capability to manage and interpret and leverage data has the potential to be growing exponentially, but it's behind it on the curve, right? So as the computing power grows, we went to the moon on a room-sized computer, and now we have something more powerful sitting in our watch or our phone. These are the examples of where we're going, and our ability to interpret that data and then use it in a intelligent way is also coming off the back of it. There's a lag effect of that capability coming through.